Hi everyone! Thanks for clicking on this video. Do you want English to feel easy? Like it's your own language? Today, I will share a powerful secret with you. It's a method from a true language genius. This man learned to speak 38 different languages. Not just read them, he could speak them. How did he do it? It's simpler than you think. And at the very end of this video, I will tell you the one small thing you can do every day. It takes only 14 minutes, but it can make your English 38 times better in just 1 year. Stay with me to discover this amazing secret. The big problem with learning. Let's think about school. You probably studied English for many years. You learned grammar rules. You read boring textbooks. The topics were about history or science or stories you did not care about. This is the number one problem. We learn things that are not connected to our lives. Our brain thinks, this is not important for me, so we forget it very quickly. We spend so much time studying, but we see very little change. It feels frustrating. It feels like a waste of time. A genius's simple method. Now let's talk about the genius. His name was Mezzofanti. He lived in Italy a long time ago. He did not have internet or apps. So what was his secret? He started with something he already loved. He was a religious man, so he used a prayer book. He knew all the words in his own language, Italian. Then he got the same book in a new language. He started to compare them. He could guess the meaning of new words because he already understood the story. This made learning feel like a game, not like work. The information was familiar. It was friendly to his brain. This is the first and most important key. Start with what you already know and love. Find your own special topic. You don't need a prayer book. You need to find your own special topic. What do you love to do? Maybe you love to cook. You already know words like sugar, water, oven, and delicious. Try watching a short cooking video in English. You will be surprised. You will understand a lot. Maybe you love sports like football or basketball. You know the rules. You know words like team, ball, and win. Listen to a sports commentator in English. It will be much easier to follow. What about your job? You are an expert in your work. You know the special words for your industry. Find an article or a short talk about your job in English. Your brain will make connections very fast. This is how you make English relevant to your life. And your brain loves things that are about you. The power of you. Have you ever been in a noisy place, like a party or a busy street? Many people are talking. It's just noise. But then someone says your name. Even from far away, you hear it instantly. Your brain immediately pays attention. Why? Because your name is the most important word to you. This is called the self-reference effect. We remember things better when they are connected to us. So when you learn English using topics you love, your brain says, pay attention. This is for me. You learn faster and you remember longer. Seeing the patterns. Okay, so you found a topic you love. You are listening and reading about it. What is the next step? Do not focus on single words. This is a big mistake. Instead, look for patterns. Look for groups of words. we call these chunks. For example, don't learn how are you. Learn how are you as one piece. Don't learn I would like learn I would like as one pattern, like I would like a coffee or I would like a ticket. When you see these patterns, learning becomes simple. It's like building with Lego blocks, not sand. As you listen to this video again, try to find the simple patterns I am using. Your listening skill will improve every time you do it. The final secret, the 1% rule. Now it is time for the secret I promised at the beginning. The secret to becoming 38 times better in 1 year. It is not about studying for 8 hours a day. It is about something much smaller. It is the 1% rule. Just try to be 1% better every day. 1% sounds very small. It doesn't feel like much. But what is 1% of 24 hours? It's just 14 minutes. That's it. Just 14 minutes of focused English practice every day, using a topic you love. On the first day, you will not see a big change. On the 7th day, you might feel a small difference. But this is where the magic happens. It's the power of compounding. Like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but it gets bigger and bigger. After 365 days of 1% improvement, you are not 365% better. You are nearly 38 times better. Your small daily effort builds into something huge. So this is the path. Find what you love. Use it to learn English. Look for patterns, not single words, and do it for just 14 minutes. Every single day. This is how you make English feel like your own language. This is the method of a genius. And now, it's your method too. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.